Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back road of America? Back roads of America. Yeah, have you ever heard Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Yeah, he changed his name, whatever. Have you ever heard Lonnie from Garage Flip, Garage whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy Dave from Kentucky? I call him TP, Tesla Picker. Yeah, well, it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all that we picking in the hood too. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, I haven't made a what's sold video in a while, so I decided to make one today. Only problem is I already packed all the stuff away. But anyway, I'm gonna put on the screen what I sold, and maybe you all can understand. I guess, I don't know. But anyway, it's been slowed down on eBay a little bit. You know, I sold 3 items yesterday and I sold 5 today. So it's 8 items that I sold. But I think I just bought 6 with me. I think I mailed 2. But anyway, we're gonna get to it, y'all. How y'all been doing? Y'all been wearing y'all mask? Yeah, wear that mask. Yeah, save lives. You know what I'm saying? First up, shit, I don't even have this with me. Y'all know them little, I'll put it on the screen. Them little things I bought from Walmart when I had that, when we couldn't go out to source. And I made that video, I think it was a Walmart video. I put it, I guess I put a link down below. It was that Walmart video when I went out sourcing. I bought these little bite things. It was like refill somethings. When you refill something and they keep bugs away. Whatever it was, it's little bitty tubes. You know, I bought like probably about 50 of them. They was like $1 a piece, and I've been selling them. So I sold that for $8.30 and had $2 shipping. Okay, next up, I sold this high frequency facial whatever machine. It's like sending electrodes and stuff through your face and massage your face or whatever. I don't know. Some kind of stuff they used to sell back in the 1890s or something. You know, them guys used to pull up and people used to crowd around. They used to sell stuff to make you feel better. I guess that's what it is. I don't know. But I sold that for $21.90 or $2 shipping. Sometimes this $2 shipping get me in trouble, y'all. I'll show y'all in a minute what I'm talking about. So, you know, y'all know I charge $2 shipping, you know, sometime on stuff so people can help me out with shipping instead of doing free shipping. So sometimes it bites me though. Next up is like this right here. This a Pops. This is a Kyle Ren TIE Fighter. It's a Pops. I sold it for $14 and I think I charged $3 shipping. But this right here, it costs like $9, $10 shipping. So I lost out on that one. And then I had to make a box for it. See that? I had to Frankenstein a box because I didn't have no box to fit it. So I lost money on that one with shipping, y'all. Sometimes I'll be trying to do shipping real cheap. I thought I had a box to fit it. If I would have had a box to fit it, it'd probably been a little cheaper. I don't know. Probably would have weighed less. Next, NASCAR 09 PS. Hold on. NASCAR 09 PS3. Brand new. I sold it for $19.40, free shipping. You know, y'all know I sell about 2 or 3 games. Used to sell 2 or 3 games a day until it slowed down. Okay, still ain't put a dent in my games, y'all. 1940, free shipping. Next up, I sold a size 10 woman Skechers shoes, them workout Skechers, them push-ups, whatever you call them, shape-ups. I sold those for $17.50. I charged $9 shipping on these, so this worked out right. I think I paid $1 extra shipping or whatever, but that worked out right, y'all. The women's shoes. I sold a brand new Wii Metroid game for $10.10, $2 shipping. Yeah. And then I sold Y'all know I sell coffee mugs, right? I sold a Ruger, you know, the Ruger Guns coffee mug, brand new. I think I sold it for $19. Hold on, let me see. $19.50, $8 shipping. That worked out right too. So y'all know I pay in between 50 cents and $1 for the coffee mugs. That's, y'all know that's what I do. So that one sold for $19. So, you know, this camera messing up. And the last thing, it's a PC game, Froggers PC game. I paid $1 for this. It sold for $15, free shipping. Okay. And I've been getting a whole lot of questions about, you know, people be asking me how do you sell on eBay and all that. So I'm gonna give y'all a fast lesson. First thing, you can sign up for eBay for free. You can buy stuff off eBay, stuff like that, but you gotta set up an account. So when you set up an account, you gotta link your checking account with your account. So when you buy something, they take it out of your checking account. You know, or credit card, whatever you want to use. So, but it's got to be linked with some kind of payment form. So that's if you want to buy. You want to sell, it's almost the same thing, except for you have to link something to your bank with your account. It's to protect you and to protect eBay or whoever the customers are buying stuff. It's to protect them too, because if you get an item, if you sell an item and somebody say dispute it and say it wasn't as advertised and stuff like that, eBay do an investigation and most of the time they side with the buyer, and I don't know why. That sucks. They side with the buyer, but it's to protect both of y'all. They take both. They hold the money out of your account and their account until they decide who they're gonna give it, who they're gonna make the victor, I guess. You know, I had several people like that. You know, I sold this rescue boat, RC rescue boat, and you can see on the picture it was in really bad shape. A whole lot of broken stuff on it, stuff. I sent it to the guy, and he gonna put on there. I sent him a piece of crap. It was all broken and all that. I said, man, did you look at the pictures? I said, the pictures, everything broken on. I said, you bought it with everything, but you didn't look at the pictures. You couldn't read. I put it in the description and everything. I went off on that dude because he said I'm a scammer. He was talking all kind of stuff. So before he filed something, I called eBay and I told him, I said, I sold him this boat, and you can look at the pictures and the description and tell that it's in bad shape. It's missing stuff, all kind of stuff. eBay still sided for him, and I had to pay for shipping for it to sit back. I'm not understanding. You got evidence with the pictures. That's what I told him. I said, look, the evidence is in the pictures and in the description. They still sided with this dude. And I blocked him because he kept saying stupid stuff. I'm a scammer. Get out of here with that stuff. But anyway, he gave me a bad feedback. eBay took that off though. But anyway, just to go tell y'all, that's how you set up an account with eBay. I do PayPal everything, because PayPal, how can I put it? They protect you. If you got a dispute with somebody, like I pay everything with PayPal sometime. When I'm ordering online and everything. One time I bought something from one website, and they said they were selling stuff out of California. And then when I got the information through my email, it was a Chinese company. So it took them it was some coats from my wife for Christmas, and some real nice designer coats. They was beautiful. And when I got one, I ordered 6. I got one, and it was like it just wasn't what I ordered. It wasn't the color or nothing. Then I didn't even know what happened to the rest of the stuff. So I filed a complaint with PayPal. It took a while though, but I got my money back. I sent them their items back, which cost me a lot of money, but I didn't care because I got my money back. So I lost money, but I didn't care. It's the point. It's the point behind it. But anyway, y'all, you open up an account through eBay. I use PayPal, get PayPal, and open up you a little store. They call them starter stores. It's like $5 a month or whatever. I don't know how much it is now. $5 a month. You can list 100 items a month. And if I was you, I'd have a little money to cover what I'm selling in my account, because if you sell one item and somebody got a complaint against you, they're gonna take the money out of your account. If you don't have the money in there, then I don't know what eBay. I always had money, so I don't know what the repercussion is for you not having money in your account that they could take it out of, your personal account. If you don't have it in your PayPal account, but they link it to your personal account. So if you don't have the money in there, I don't know what happens, but it can't be good. So, but anyway, it's just as simple as that. You open up your account and you start selling. So next time I'll let y'all know, if you start looking at these videos on YouTube, and I didn't have the luxury of YouTube when I started selling in 2002. So I couldn't learn stuff. I look at a whole lot of people YouTube videos now, and I get a whole lot of ideas of what to look for and stuff like that. And so it helps me a lot. So you guys got YouTube now. You can look at these guys selling on YouTube, as you can get ideas on what to look for when you go to thrift stores and yard sales and stuff like that. And I know I'm picking in the hood, you know what I'm saying? But I haven't been to no yard sales this year. I haven't been to no estate sales. I've been busy. On Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I've been busy working, you know what I'm saying? Working on people's houses and stuff like that, because I got a handyman business. So I haven't been able to get out. But this weekend, I think I'm gonna get out, make a video, and pick in the hood, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and pick in the hood. So, like I usually do. So, anyway, you guys, I just wanted to make this quick video, and I'm gonna put all these pictures in the links of what I sold. You guys can look for that stuff. Yeah, it's kind of slow, but whatever. eBay, it pick back up, whatever. All I'm saying is that's money I didn't have. You know what I'm saying? So you all be safe out there, wear your mask, stay out of people's faces. I got a guy that work here with me, a little young dude, to keep meeting these chicks online and keep sleeping with them and stuff. What the hell? I mean, you don't know where these chicks come from. I'm just saying, they don't know where you come from either. But they out there, young people out there, still doing the same stuff. You better stop that stuff and start wearing that mask. You can wear that mask while you're doing the nasty, whatever. I don't care. But you gotta protect yourself. But anyway, y'all, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like, give me a thumbs down, but subscribe anyway. Subscribe anyway, whether you like it or don't like it. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want y'all to know that we picking in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.